Lesson 3, Section 1, Playground Audits. Now that you understand a bit more about what a playground hazard is, and some of the common hazards that exist in the play area, we're going to talk a bit more in this lesson about what you can do to be proactive in making your play area safe for children. One of the critical things you can do is to simply look at the play area associated with the play equipment on a regular basis to ensure that there are no new hazards that have been created. This is quite simply called a playground inspection. But before you start your inspection, it's important to understand that in some cases, you may need to retain a professional to initially perform a more thorough, critical evaluation of your playground environment. Having a certified playground inspector inspect or audit your play area is a great first step in the process of addressing the most critical hazards and identifying short and long-term repair goals. An audit is a very detailed inspection performed by a certified playground safety inspector in which almost every aspect of the play area is evaluated and measured with special tools and gauges. Once a certified playground safety inspector completes the field inspection, they will provide you with a comprehensive report that outlines the general aspects of the play area and areas in which the play area is either compliant or non-compliant. Compliant simply means that the piece of equipment or evaluated item meets standards set forth by the Consumer Product Safety Commission or the American Society for Testing and Materials. Non-compliant means the equipment or evaluated aspect of the play area does not meet these guidelines or standards. If a piece of equipment or aspect of the play area is deemed to be non-compliant, then the inspector will provide a hazard rating to the evaluated component, with 1 being the most critical hazard and 5 being compliant. This will help you to determine what items to repair or address first and which items can be addressed over the longer term. So why would having an audit be important for you to get before you start an in-house inspection program? Well, for the following reasons. It will help you identify the most critical hazards in your play area so you can address them quickly. It will also allow you to get to know your inspectors so they can answer questions you may have in the future. It will allow you to establish a priority for any items that need to be addressed. It will allow you to establish a baseline for your in-house inspection program so you can focus on any hazards that present themselves in the future. And it will also serve as a base for your standard of care documentation packet, which we'll discuss further in Lesson 4. So as you can see, while a professional audit is not mandated, it is a great first step in the right direction if you or your organization can financially afford it. However, even if you decide not to have a professional conduct an audit of your play area, you can start making your play area safer immediately by implementing an in-house inspection program. We'll see you back here in Section 2 and talk more about it after you've completed the questions contained in this section.